Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best track saw reviews that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita SP6000J1 6 one-toner tools plunge circular socket. The Makita SP6000J1 features a great motor which ensures great performance. If you want smooth, chip-free cuts, then this saw from Makita is the thing for you. It has 12 amp that can provide superior power to help you make successful cuts in each attempt. The handles are over-molded with rubber that helps you get a better grip, and a firm grip ensures maximum control of the tool. This motor is highly powerful and it is capable of delivering variable speeds. This allows the saw to attain versatility and help you make cuts in different material. There is a handy dial right beside the handle that which you can quickly access to adjust the speed according to your requirements. The speeding range of this tool is 2,000 RPM to 5,000 RPM. It also has a depth of cuts as much as 2, 3, 16 inches. There is also a depth stop feature that allows the user to make a quick pass across the material, which cuts only 1 to 16 of an inch deep. The 814-inch blade will also help you muscle through denser materials. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT DCS520T1 FLEXVOLT circular saw. The DEWALT DCS520T1 saw kit helps you make precise, splinter-free cuts, making it one of the best cordless track saw on the list. It is an excellent option for woodworker, carpenter, or DIYers that needs a powerful saw in a cordless package. It also has the ability to plunge cut, which, if needed, allows you to start your cut in the middle of a workpiece. This track saw is equipped with a 60V battery. It also has a spring-loaded riving knife as well as an anti-kickback mechanism to prevent kickback. It also has a straight plunge mechanism that makes it easier to use. At number 3, we have the Kreg ACS 2000 Adaptive Cutting System Saw. This track saw from Kreg comes with a sturdy plunger, saw that gives excellent performance at different speeds. The special thing about this tool is its motor, which is fitted with an electronic blade brake. This makes your plunge cuts extremely safe. And for added safety, this tool has a shrouded blade, a tractable riving knife, and advanced anti-kickback options. The tempered kickback means you will be able to use the tool in tight circles and cut various patterns without having to apply very much energy. This is useful when you are working for long hours or you don't want to break a sweat when working with a saw. The design of this tool gives the user complete control over the process and offers remarkable cutting accuracy. This track saw is equipped with high bevel cutting capability at a 47-degree angle, plus a 2/1/8 cutting depth. There's a 12 amp motor that is powering this Kreg track saw and delivering powerful cutting under brake control at various speeds. In addition, you get a dust port, which is linked directly to a vacuum hose for easy cleaning work. At number 2, we have the Bosch GKT13-225L 6120 track saw. The Bosch GKT13-225L saw kit combines the best plunge action track saw features. It is easy to set up and has fast speed. It can work well in wood-based sheets such as laminated particle boards and plywood. This tool achieves its precise plunge cuts with an easy-to-use plunge mechanism. You can also swap out a new blade easily with a 3-blade change system. This gliding track is sold separately. However, you can adjust it to make bevel cuts. This tool can also maintain speed when under demanding projects. Cleaning up after your work is easy with this tool because, for dust collection, you can connect it to a suitable vacuum cleaner. And finally, at number 1, we have the Triton TTS1400 6. The Triton TTS1400 is a versatile tool that comes with advanced safety features, easy mode selection, and fast setup. It sports a powerful 1400-watt motor that offers variable speed. This tool offers a no-load speed between 2,000 and 5,300 RPM. You also get the option to quickly change modes, all thanks to the convenient mode selector that lets you choose either scribe, blade change, or free plunge. You can easily and safely change the blade with easy access through the blade guard, and you don't have to take off the cover. In addition, the handles come with a soft grip. You can get accurate bevel and straight cuts with the guide track system. When fitted to the track saw, this tool provides long and straight cuts. The housing of the blade has a flat design, which allows the saw to work right up against the edges of the materials. This is useful when working on flooring and doors. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.